completely inappropriate at this time, but in other ways, it couldn't be more appropriate.
Yes, right. We need it.
Global 33 receiving okay.
Hey, Magellan.
Global 33 receiving okay. 30 degrees west. After we pass 30 west.
Jesse Carter reported once to
Global
Mason's
Flight
pool
33.
hall.
The right English? Name the game.
Level 33.
Rotation? Kelly. 14-1 rack. 8 ball. 14-1 rack, 1 game, 300 points.
Accelerate.
9 ball in the corner.
11. Global 33 to Weathership Charlie. Global 33 to Weathership Charlie.
That means it's wake up time. So you just got time to jump out of your jammies and pour yourself a nice hot steaming cup of chemicals.
I assumed a person that I wasn't.
Did you say you assumed?
I'm not really conscious, I don't think.
When you assumed?
I wonder
No, not really. I don't.
stuff that made you start in the first place.
Nice guy. Well, your world changes. Those type songs. Songs.
Maybe it would be stuff.
Brilliant.
I can no longer sit back and allow communist infiltration, communist indoctrination, communist subversion, and the international communist conspiracy to sap and impurify all of our precious bodily fluids.
Listen very carefully. Here's the flag.
Did you get the email?
Fluoride in the water. No, fluoride in the water. That fluoride in the water thing is so sketchy. Have you ever looked into whether or not fluoride should be in the water?
At last, my dream come true.
Hello, Earth. Hey, hello, what? If that's the Earth.
To the bomb.
Another news, bicycle scientists have announced the world is now flat.
Hey!
It's flat.
Want to listen to some tunes? And I'm gonna sing a song for you. Want to listen to some tunes?
Ground control to Major Tom.
Here's another example of the same spring water that was collected on a different day, and you'll notice.
Look what I found on Space Station.
Yes, we play squash together.
They're all liars.
Okay? We went to space, they turned around, they were on the moon, they were really on the moon, they were really on the moon, they were really on the moon. Okay?
I have to ask you about something.
Just flat Earth.
Like many people. No, this is goes.
Okay.
The year was 1933.
Whoa. Absolutely true.
Just flat Earth.
Well, there comes a point when that's it.
Yeah.
You say, I accept that.
Just flat Earth. Just flat Earth thing. Can't. Just flat Earth. Seriously. You want to believe in a flat? Just flat Earth. The Earth is really flat. That's what you need to do. Just flat Earth.
Search your feelings, you know it to be true.
Just flat Earth.